One morning I found you gone. You left me to lie here like an empty shell. You didn't say a word to me that I heard that gave an explanation. So lonely I'm walking today. I wonder where I'll go. I wonder where I stand. Will loving start to grow? Will I trust him, whoever he'll be? Open my heart again, will I see all the good things meant for me? Start looking for